We are pleased to show you the 2021 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.